gave. Okay. Have you faced any difficulty in respect of it? The two problems which were added on Moodle. Nevidya, could you solve it?
Sir,
Sir,
truly speaking, I haven't solved that.
Okay.
I was
But
not
have you?
able to do because I have not attended yesterday's lecture, starting
Okay.
one, so I was confused about all the
But
things.
I have added both the recorded sessions. You could have seen
Yes,
that
sir.
and then try to do it
Yes, sir.
because this would be kind of like a mass catching topic. Okay, so
Sure,
let
sir.
us. Yeah, so I will start with one example, one more example. A raised to n. So we said, if you recall, we talked about this particular example. Have we talked about this even? A raised to n, b raised to 2n. Not yet. Samay, have you solved this? Samay, are you
No,
there? I think we haven't.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have we solved this?
No, I guess we
Okay.
have only solved n and n plus 1.
Okay. Okay. A raised to n, b raised to n, and a raised to n, b raised to n plus 1. Yeah. So let us work out with this. So we'll go with the similar strategy. Like we had now number of A's and number of B's. There's a difference. Number of B's are double than number of A's. Okay. So you would be having, say, for example, 3 A's. So ultimately you would be having 3, 4, 5, and 6. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if let us try to come up with a logic, how exactly we'll develop this. So if you see, why not do the same strategy? Why not apply the same strategy? Like when we said, whenever we are getting A, we'll try to push blue plate. Okay. Say for example, now we have this R. So for each A, suppose we are pushing blue plate. Now the logic that we applied, like if you recall yesterday when we took A raised to n, B raised to n plus 1. So for that extra B, we applied some strategy, either at the start, either at the end. So what can be done is see first B, okay, skip that, and with next B, pop this. Okay, next one again, skip this, pop it, skip this, pop it. Understood what I said? So for each A, we'll push blue. Okay, but whenever we are getting pair of B, so first B we will skip, second B will pop, third B will skip, fourth B will pop, fifth B will skip, sixth B will pop. So ultimately we will reach to R. So let us say we are implementing this using final state. Oh, okay. By the way, you can write any problem in both the mechanisms. So I hope you understood now the idea behind this. What is to be done? Can somebody repeat? Rohit, can you repeat this? What I said? Can you repeat what I said? Okay, our spokesperson Rutuja will address now. Rutuja, you have only this exercise. Okay, let me know. Like how will you work out with this? What I told?
sir, actually I joined late today.
Okay, okay. So what I am saying is I have number of A's to be n. Number of B's are twice number of A's. Correct. So what I am suggesting, like if I have this kind of string, which is a valid string from this set. So what would be valid one here in this case for L? So suppose if I have one A, there would be two B's. If I have two A's, there would be four B's. Correct. If I have three A's, then I will be having six B's. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I right? So this will fit here. So if the number of A's are 3, then number of B's would be twice of it. So ultimately 6. Correct? So if we see here, for each occurrence of A, what we'll do is we'll push blue plate onto the stack. Okay. So whenever we are getting B, so we will skip first B, and for second B we will pop. So you can work vice versa as well. For first B pop, second B skip. First B pop, second B skip. So whatever the way, so we'll first work with this, skip this B. Okay. And for this B, pop it. So skip this B, pop it. Skip this B, pop it. Correct? Is that fine? Everybody understood it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us write this. So delta. So we are having initial state as Q0. What will be there on the tape? You will always have A, and on the stack we have R. So as we said, for every occurrence of A, we are applying the similar logic, like pushing blue plate. So what you are going to get? So you can keep Q0 or whatever, like it would be if you pick Q1, even it is right. So let me take Q1. So for our understanding. Okay, you can keep Q0 as well because it is only a push operation. So now it would be in Q1. It would be getting A, and at the top that would be blue. So Q1 A B will give you Q1 B B. So for each A now, which is occurring here, this would be applicable. So let us try working with this. So I'm taking this example. Okay, 3 A's and 3A and 6 B's. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is R. Now you got first A. So delta Q0 A R. Q0 R. What it does? It enters into Q1 and pushes blue. So let us say we got B. Now we are here with the second element and we are in Q1. So Q1 A B. So it is to be pushed. So B. Now it is here. It is still in the same state. Q1 A B. So push. Now Q1 B B. So as per our logic, what we said, we'll skip first B. So how it is to be done? So delta Q1 B B enter into Q2 B. Don't make any change onto the stack. Enter into Q2. Now for second, you have to skip. Sorry, for second you have to pop. So it would be what? Delta Q2 B B. So I will enter into now Q3 epsilon. Correct. Now one could have done this. I could have entered into Q1, but again, suppose if A occurs, then this will be applicable. So that's why I'm playing a safe game. Adding states will not be a problem. Correct. So let me go with next. Now it would be in Q3 and we are going to get B only. So now we know that first B we skipped, second B we popped. Now next would be what? Again skip. So I will put Q2 only. Now see here. Okay, so we reached here. Okay, up to this point. So delta Q1 B and this B. So we entered into Q2. So we are here. Delta Q2 B and this B. So we are saying pop. We enter into Q3. Delta Q3 B this B. Go to Q2. Don't make any change here. Delta Q2 this B and this B. Q2 BB. So it enters into Q3. This is popped. Correct. So delta Q3 B this B. It is to be skipped. So it enters into Q2. Delta Q2 this last B and this B. So what it reaches to? So it should be again skipped. So this is skipped. So sorry, not skipped, but the popped. Then you are entering into Q3. Now everything is popped. So what is remaining? R. So you will have this situation delta Q3 epsilon R. So if it is accepted by final state, then you can say that Q4 R. Fine. Now let us pick a different string, bigger one. Okay, so let me draw this stack to be bigger. So let me have 5 as 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 is, and how many B's? So ultimately there would be 10 B's, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write state here. So initially I have R. So I am in Q0. Q0 A R. What is Q0 A R? What is Q0 A R?
We'll push B, right?
Correct. So we
Enter
got
state Q1
enter state Q1. So this would be Q1. This is B,
and then
correct?
push B. Yeah.
Okay, good. So now Q1 A B.
Q1BB.
So now it is to be only you have to remain in the same state. This is stacked. You are entering into one more push into stack. So Q1 A B again. So one more push, correct? For this A, it is remaining in the same state. Q1 A B. So this is tracked. Add one more. Q1 A B. One more push. So how many A's were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many blue plates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Am I right? Now, in which state we are? Pranjal? Pranjal, are you there? Yeah. So we are in Q1. Now, what is under read? B. So what is Q1 BB? What is Q1 BB? Q2B. That means what? You have to only change the state and skip this first B. So you are here now. So Q2BB. What is Q2BB? Q2BB. So we are popping this, correct? We are entering into Q3. Fine. Now Q3, this B and this B. What is Q3BB? Enter into Q2. Skip to next B. So Q2BB. What is Q2BB? Pop. Correct? You are in Q3. Am I right? Are you with me, by the way? I want at least thumb from your side if you are not able to speak. Anushka, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are in Q3 now, correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we popped 2 B's. Now we are here. Q3BB. What is Q3BB? Enter into
Q2.
very good. And now we are here. So it is skipped, correct?
Skip.
So Q2BB. What is Q2BB?
Pop B.
Pop. So we are entering into Q3, correct? Q3BB. What is Q3BB?
Q2B.
Again, Q2. This B will remain as it is, correct? Because of this, so we are skipping it. So Q2. Now this B and B. So this is to be popped, correct? It enters into Q3. Am I right? So Q3BB. Enter into Q2, skip it. Q2BB. Enter into Q3. This is popped, correct? Now Q3 at the end we have epsilon. So Q3 epsilon R, that means string is over. So we are entering into this. Correct? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so let us take a wrong string. 1, 2, sorry, this may not be visible. So let me take here. Okay, by the way, okay, I will try to add photos of this on Moodle. Okay, later. So let me take. Yeah, if you can take a screenshot of this. It is good. I don't know whether it is it fitting there or not. One who is having laptop can please do this for me. Yeah, otherwise I will add it later. Okay, screenshot. So let me take another string. So I'm keeping this here. So I'm taking wrong string, and wrong string is like this. Say for example, I have 3 A's and 5. Sorry, these are 5 B's. 3 A's, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 B's. So we carefully, like if we see this string, it doesn't fit here. Correct? It doesn't fit in this set. Correct? Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
let us work out. Let us work out. We have R. Now you are able to see this, correct? Okay. Q0 AR. So this A. Q0 AR. What will happen? Blue plate is to be added, correct? So blue. So we are in Q1. Okay. We are in Q1. Q1 AB. So add a blue plate. We are remaining in Q1. Q1 AB. We are adding. So 3 A's, 3 blue plates. Fine. Now we are in Q1. Q1 BB. Q1 BB is enter into Q2. Q2 B, this B. So pop it,
B.
enter into Q3, correct? So popped. So Q3 B B. So skip Q2. Q2 B B. What is Q2 BB? Pop it. So Q3, correct? Q3 BB. What is Q3 BB? Enter into Q2, correct? Am I right? Am I right? So by the way, two are popped. This one is remaining, correct? So now we are in Q2. Sorry, we are in Q3, na? Have I made a mess? Okay, let me work out. I think I made a mess. So Q0 A R. So this enters into Q1. Q1 AB. Q1 AB. So B's are added. Now Q1 B B. So Q1 BB is Q2 B. So you are entering into Q2. So you are here. Q2 BB. So you are entering into Q3. This is removed. So we are here. Q3 B, this B. It is Q2. Skip it. Q2 B, this B. Q2 BB. Enter into Q3. Pop this. Okay. Q3 B B. What is Q3 BB? Enter into Q2. Don't make any change. Now we have epsilon here. Correct? So we are getting situation like Q2 epsilon B. Do we have it here? Do we have
No,
it here? No, that means what? Not accepted. Correct? So you can do the same thing like for reverse way as well. So number of B's to be say less and number of A's to be more. You will get the same situation because you cannot deny this. So are you with me for this example? Have you understood this one?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now if it is A raised to n, B raised to 3n, what will happen? Yes. What will happen? if it is a raised to n, b raised to 3n. So should we write it? Okay, let us try it. Let us try it. So I hope you understood this one clearly. What is the idea here with this PDA? For each occurrence of A, okay, what are the A's that you see? For each occurrence of A, push into the stack. For B, because it is to be considered as a pair, considering 2 raised to n, b raised to 2n. So one B is skipped, second B is popped. So let us do the reverse way. Now same example, we'll do what? First B will pop, second B will skip. Okay, how can we write that solution? So I hope this is fine. So this is what? Final state. Okay. Moreover, logic is what? Skip first B, pop for next B. So this is the logic. So now I am reversing the thing. Pop first B, skip second B. So let us try to write that solution. Okay, can somebody help me out to do this? Same example. L equal to A raised to n, B raised to 2n, n greater than equal to 1. Okay, so like what will happen if at all it is with the empty stack? You are going to write Q3 epsilon or Q4 epsilon, whatever. You can introduce as many states as you can, as you want. Only thing is you have to keep track of those states here. Okay, so now our logic is what now? For A, push blue. Okay, for each A. For first I mean to say in a pair, huh? Not only always first. So in a pair, first B, pop, second B, skip. Correct. So this is the idea. Now how will you work out? So can somebody help me? Let me know.
Oh, okay, sir. So Q0,
Delta
yeah,
Q0.
delta Q0 AR will
So
be
first line should be
Q1B.
R. BR, huh?
BR, yeah, sorry.
Q1.
Then Q1 AB equal to Q1 BB.
Right. So up to this it is same. Now change is there. So what is the change? For first B we have to pop. So delta Q1 BB. What it is?
Q2 epsilon. And Q2 BB equal to Q3 BB. No,
No, only B. Only
no
B.
B. Yeah, sorry.
So this is pop. This is skip. Now again we have to write pop, because why I am not writing Q1 here? Suppose you write Q1. What can happen after this B? Suppose A comes, then it will start executing this. So we don't want that thing to happen. Correct? That's why we are making this change. Always try to do this. So first time make the change the state. Then whenever you see something different, change the state. And if you don't want to continue with that operation, then again change the state. Because if you want to continue the operation, you have to only write Q2 epsilon. Correct? But this operation of pop is discontinued. That's why we are changing the state. Now we are in Q3, correct? Would be getting B and B. Now it should be popped, and it should be, you should write this one only. Correct? Why? So that first skip can be done. Okay, so it should work with between these two. First time this will take you to Q2, then later only these two would be working. Correct? Till you reach to epsilon. So this would be pop. Are you with me till this?
Yes, sir.
समय
Yes, sir.
निवेद्या ठीक है, लॉजिक एटलीस्ट समझ में आ रहा है?
हाँ सर समझ में आ रहा है.
Okay, good. Because you have to solve these problems, by the way. Otherwise, you will not understand what exactly I am trying to say. Sanjot, are you there? Are you with me?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Namrata?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what would be the final thing, Namrata? Now we know that there would be epsilon and r, but now which state will be there if at all this string is successful? Like in this case, let me go here. In this case, we could see Q3 epsilon r. Now for this case, because pop, this was what? So okay, let me write this. This was what? Skip. This is pop. This is skip. So in this case, we have similar, only reverse thing. Pop, skip, pop. There were two skips, one pop. Now we have two pops, one skip. Now what will be there? Okay, let us try to see one example. I will take A, B, 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 B with the correct one, correct? Okay, so as to see in which state we will be. We are in to BR. Have we? Have we written it? Yes, are you there?
No, sir, we haven't written it.
So we have to write that too, correct? So suppose if I write this Q2BR, what this means? It is to be skipped. Now which operation is doing skip for you? Because this is to be skipped, na? For this B, it is to be skipped because we know that it is correct. So if it is Q2BR, then what it would be? Which operation is doing skip for us? Which operation is doing skip for us?
Q3BB.
Q2
Q3BB.
B.
See Q3B वाला ना? Skip वाला ये operation है ना?
Q2
Ah,
BB.
yes.
So this would be Q3. Suppose if I write Q3 here, keep R there because we don't want to change, na? That's why skip. Now what would be last thing? Now string is over. We are into Q3, correct? We actually are because we were having Q2 BR. So that's why we entered into Q3. We kept this as it is. So we are getting epsilon. So Q3 epsilon R. So can I write here Q3 epsilon R? Let us see what happens.
Yes,
So
sir.
I will write, say, for example, Q4 epsilon. So we will try to verify. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this is I'm saying empty stack. Huh? So this solution empty stack. So otherwise you can say keep R here and you call Q4 as final state. Now let us take some different string. So for example, A, B, B. Okay, what will be the situation? Tell me. So first A, blue, second A, blue, we are in Q1. So Q1 BB, Q1 BB is enter into Q2 pop, correct? Q2 BB, what is Q2 BB? What is
Remain as
Q2 BB?
it is.
Huh?
As it is.
Enter into Q3.
Q3B, enter into Q3 BB. Now you have epsilon, so you are getting Q3 epsilon R. So it is saying that accept, but actually this is wrong. Correct? Is this wrong? Because you would be getting Q3 epsilon R and Q3 epsilon R says accept. So what should be the change? What should we do? So ultimately this doesn't work. This doesn't work. Now what should we write then? Understood the problem? We are finding an error in this solution. So the solution we got was Q3 epsilon r, because last thing in this case was Q3 epsilon r. But then what should we write here? Whether should we write Q3 or whether should I write Q2 only? Now when it enters into Q2,
When the first B occurs.
okay. Now suppose if your string is this, first B occurs, it enters into Q2. Now it is going to get epsilon. So Q2 epsilon r, can we write this? This will accept this one as well, correct? So what should be done with this solution? Are you there? I hope you understood the problem that I'm putting forward. So if we go with this logic, what changes are to be made here? Try to solve it. Solve it and tell me like where the change should be.
Sir, what if we change Q2 BB and then Q3 BB?
Okay, you let me know what is to be done. You mean to say what? So you want to say that this should be pop and this should be skip.
Yes.
But already you popped. So this also needs to be changed then, in that case. Actually, we already solved this. If you see Q2B, Q3 epsilon, we actually worked with this. So will you see any problem this case too?
Sir, if I first pop all blue from the stack, and after that, if I come into the Q2BR, then I वैसे ही रखेंगे तो चलेगा?
देखो अभी मैं एक स्ट्रिंग देता हूँ. इसका लॉजिक क्या है कि जैसे एज है, एज के लिए अगर मैं एक मिनट ना, एज के लिए मैं अगर ब्लू प्लेट डाल रहा हूँ, सपोज ऐसे 3 डाल दिए, करेक्ट. सो व्हाट शी इज सेइंग, सो व्हेन बी कम्स पॉप दिस 3. ओके, सो अल्टीमेटली बाद में क्या आने वाला है, सिर्फ बी रहेंगे. सो पहले 3 ए के लिए
फर्स्ट 3 पॉप करेंगे.
पहले 3 बी के लिए पॉप कर लिए, बट उसके बाद 1 2 कितने बीज है पता कैसे चले. सपोज ऐसे सिचुएशन था आपका जो ये बोल रही है, वैसे अगर स्ट्रिंग में लेता हूं ये 4 वाला, वी नो दैट दिस इज नॉट वैलिड, करेक्ट. सो ये 3 एज के लिए जो पुश किया, इसको पॉप कर लिया. तो ये इसका जैसे कहना है कि इसको सिर्फ बी आर करके स्किप करते चलो, बट कितने बीज, यहाँ पर मैंने एडिशनल बीज डाल दिए तो भी चल जाएगा ना, ये
रॉन्ग वे
है ना, करेक्ट.
यस.
So this is one of the good problems. Yeah, somebody was saying.
Yeah, sir, we can add Q3 epsilon B equal to Q3 epsilon. I think that would solve it.
Q3B.
Q3 epsilon B equal to Q3 epsilon.
So you mean to say for what? This one you are saying Q3. How will you enter into situation like Q3 epsilon B? When will you enter that into that situation?
Okay, so
exting दो मुझे.
For A B B epsilon.
A
B B.
epsilon. But in this case दिक्कत क्या है, हमारा ये फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है ना रूल.
Okay.
Because we have to stick with this, the original language. So sometimes if you see your logic fails, though you seem to be on right track, correct? यहाँ तक जैसे आ रहे थे, जब तक एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व नहीं कर तब तक ठीक लग रहा था ना सब कुछ, समझ आ रहा है, करेक्ट। बट अभी दिक्कत क्या है, अगर एक कोई ऐसा स्ट्रिंग मिल गया तो आपका पूरा सॉल्यूशन फेल हो जाएगा। And it happens most of the times. Rather, like in while working with data structure problems, rather, I don't know how many of you face the scenarios like this, or even writing programs for operating system code, like using bigger programs which makes use of trees, linked list, and so on. Majority number of times we do see that, okay, जैसे कि हमारे यहाँ का situation कैसा है डिपार्टमेंट में कि teacher used to give a problem, students were used to solve the assignments and then submit. सबमिशन के बाद इवेल्युएशन होता था। तो इवेल्युएशन के टाइम में जब तक इवेल्युएशन होता नहीं तब तक कोड अच्छा वर्क हो रहा था, लेकिन जब इवेल्युएशन को आता था तो टीचर को एक स्ट्रिंग दे देता, तो व्हाइल टीचर यूज्ड टू गिव अ स्ट्रिंग, प्रोग्राम यूज्ड टू फेल। अभी ये वही हुआ ना सिनेरियो, बिकॉज एवरीबडी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट, जैसे आह्लाद ने दिया, बाकी लोगों ने भी दिया एक एक सोल्यूशन, तो